Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on Lake Murray competing in one of these QCKBF events. I don't know which one it is. Put in at the Buffalo Creek Marina. It is it's a private marina, but you can pay $5 and launch there. If I look really wet and sweaty, it's partially because it's sweaty. I'm sweaty, and then it's also because it is raining. This is going to be a long rainy day. But hopefully we can put a couple fish in the boat. I got a late start because there was a boat tournament going on that was launching out of that marina. So I got a late start. So I'm going to cut this short and try to do some last minute preparations. But let's get to it. Guys, on the board, 13 1/4. All right, not a skunk. Let's get him back in the water. We'll see. Nope. 11 1/2. Not gonna help the cause. All right, let's get this little guy back in the water. He's gonna be big enough either. Nope. All right, guys, 10 1/2 inches. Not gonna help. All right, let's get him back in the water. I'm around all kinds of bait, and that's the frustrating part. Is I'm finding like bait balls and stuff. I just don't see any fish. I don't know what the heck's going on, and it's incredibly frustrating. I just don't know what's going on. Well, guys, midday update. Things are not going well. I've caught 3 fish, a 13, and then 2 shorts. To say that I have no idea what the heck is going on would be understatement of the. What the heck is that? What in the world is that thing? Oh, it's a duck. I thought it was a baby. It's not a baby, it's a duck. All right, where was I? To say that I have no clue what is going on and then things are not going well, again, understatement. I don't know, I have no clue what's going on. I caught 1 fish on a buzzbait like early in the morning. I've caught 2 on a drop shot, the 2 shorts on a drop shot. I'm just not getting bites. Those are the only bites that I've had all day, and I've gotten every one of them. So it's not like I'm missing fish. The bites that I'm getting, I'm catching. I'm just not getting bites or the quality bites that I need. So I don't know what to do. Something has to change. So what I've done is, you know, my strategy, it's always, if I don't know what's going on, I'm going to tie on a jig, because that's always the last thing that I try, because I don't like fishing jigs and I'm not good at it. But I'm going to fish a jig for a little bit, see if that changes my fortunes at all, or At this point, I'm just going to junk fish. I'm going to probably just focus on docks, because docks usually hold fish all year long. That's all I'm relying on. I'm gonna kind of alternate between the jig and maybe tie on that drop shot again. Maybe I can get a couple 12 inchers. And at this point, any bites are what I need. So that's where I'm at. Stay tuned.
Well, I ain't got no money. Well, he ain't got no money. And a slap run out of beans. And a slap run out of beans. And the kids are getting hungry. And the kids are getting hungry. I can tell you what that means. I can tell you what that means. River rats. River rats. And cool stew. And cool stew. Baby, that's what I'm cooking you. What I'm cooking you. River rats. River rats. And cool stew. And cool stew. Baby, that's what I'm cooking you. What I'm cooking you. Missed it. That was a big fish too. Oh, son of a... There's fucking another one. Me. Well, guys, 1 hour remaining, and it's gotten hot. The sun is out, and I'm not catching fish at all. Oh my God, I'm kicking myself because during the last 4 hours, I had 2 solid fish bite a spinnerbait, and I was not paying attention, so I didn't get a good hook set. So I missed both of those fish. Right now, I'm completely out of ideas. I haven't gotten a bite since. And honestly, I'm kind of like over it at this point because I'm just tired and hot and wet from earlier today. So I'm gonna start fishing my way back to the ramp, and hopefully I can run into something. I'm so desperate, I've resorted to I've tied on a shad wrap, and I'm kind of trolling around these points. I don't even see any fish out here on these points anyway, so it's pretty much for nothing right now. But I think I'm just going to kind of troll my way back to the ramp and maybe fish that marina until line's out. I'm going to fish the entire time, because again, I paid for it. So I'm gonna be here till the bitter end. But check in with you in a little bit. Well, guys, 2:59. It is lines out, and man, that was an awful tournament. It was just one of those days where I could not figure out anything. I ran into a couple guys out here at my launch. None of them were doing good either, so I don't know where they were biting, but I don't think they were here. But that's what it is sometimes. So even though I did awful in this tournament, it's good to know that I'm still in the running for the Never Give Up award. If you don't know what that is, that's where you suck, but you still go to all the tournaments. So don't want to brag, I got that going for me. So I'll keep you updated if I win that Never Give Up award. It's basically basically you just need to call that the stubborn award, because that's basically what it is. You're not any good, but you're stubborn. So I may have that going for me. Anyways, if you'd like to know anything about what I did today, the lures, the launch, or anything else, you can look down in the description box. I'm going to leave some additional information down there. But while you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The channel that is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. So I'll be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing. And of course, I don't enter small bass.
And kids are getting hungry. That means
Let's see what this monster measures.
river rats and cool stew. Baby, that's what I'm cooking you.
4 3/4.
And cool stew.
All right, guys, let's get this little guy back in the water.
What I'm cooking you.
Scupper release.